We're going to make some Chilean sea bass provencale. So we have fresh tomatoes, some parsley, lemon juice, onion, garlic, black olives, white wine, olive oil, and 4 2-ounce pieces of Chilean sea bass, which I cut thin like that so they cook very fast. We're going to season that first with our pre-mixed salt and pepper, which is a good thing to have. You put the amount of pepper into the sea salt that you like, and then you have this ready. So we'll season the fish like so on both sides. Then after doing that, it's going into the flour like so. And then it's going to go into hot olive oil, and we're going to saute it. So set up the fish first, then we'll cut the vegetables. Well, we're getting the skillet nice and hot because you have to cook fish very quickly. And we'll put our olive oil in there. Let's just smoke a hair and put that fish in there. Lightly dusted in flour, like so. Very high flame. And after we brown this fish on both sides, taking it out, put it on the plate. We'll saute the vegetables, finish everything up, and then place the fish back in there. And let it simmer for a couple of minutes in the sauce. I definitely want to get color on this, and by the time I have the color, the fish is cooked. And this is plenty. It's 4 ounces of fish per person, which is enough. That's the normal size. So when you flip, pull it this way so you don't splash the oil. And when you go this way, turn it so, the same thing. Because we don't want to splatter oil all over the floor or yourself. And that's nice color. Now we're going to lower the flame because the pan is very hot. We're just going to add the onions, tomato, hold off on the olives, just so they can go in towards the end. So that's it on the fish. Onions, garlic. I just slice the garlic, I don't mince it up fine. I like to have pieces to chew on. Looks like a lot of tomatoes, but watch what happens in a few minutes. The tomatoes will just break down. Moderate flame, nice. As long as you hear that sizzling, we're doing well. Once it stops, we raise the flame. Like I can sense that it's stopping already. So we'll just raise it up. And of course, you have to season everything that you're cooking. Fish is seasoned. This has to be seasoned. It takes more of the salt and pepper. Now if I'm cooking for myself, I really don't use salt. I use pepper and herbs. But since I'm making this for other people, which you would be doing, you want to make sure that it's tasty, and salt will bring out the flavor of everything. Very high. To quicken this cooking, if you don't want to get too much color, but you want to break down the tomatoes and cook the onions faster, just cover it. That's all you have to do. Come back in a couple of minutes and you'll see what happens to the tomatoes and onions. So if you notice, the moisture, the steam is staying in there, building up on the glass on the inside, dripping back down, which we want. It's been about a minute or two. I'm not looking to brown this. I just want to cook it down. I'm still dealing with a very high flame. Now at this point, as you see, we're losing moisture in there, so we're going to add the white wine and the lemon juice. Cover it up quickly. And it'll really break down now. And it has a nice aroma. Can't go wrong with onions, fresh tomato, fresh garlic. This will take about another 2 minutes. Then I'm going to throw in the olives, the parsley, and sit the fish on top of that. Cover it, wait about another minute or two, and that's it. So all in all, it's not a long process making this. That's good. I don't want to lose all that moisture that's in there. So we'll get this done right now. Put the fish back in there. Lower the flame, cover it up. Wait 2 minutes, everything is hot, and that's it. We're done. You need a little moisture in there. We'll take the fish out. 2 pieces per person. And there you go. You don't want to cover the fish completely, just the top, and have this with whatever you like, rice, pasta, potatoes, and that's it. Chilean sea bass provencale. I hope you enjoy it.